You know that moment when a chef stares at a pot of boiling water like it personally ruined their childhood? That is not drama, that is burnout. And it happens to private chefs and caterers more than anyone wants to admit. Cooking for other people every single day is like being a stand-up comedian who never gets to laugh at their own jokes. You are feeding joy to everyone else's table while your own plate sits cold on the counter. Here's a weird truth. Stress in the kitchen is not really about the knives or the heat. It is about doing something you love so much that you forgot why you loved it in the first place. Think about your favorite movie watched for the 1000th time. Even the best scene gets boring if you never take a break from it. That is basically what happens to home chefs and caterers who never pause. The passion does not disappear, it just gets buried under a mountain of orders and Instagram comparisons. Let us talk about the comparison trap for a second. Watching someone else plate a fancy dessert online is like watching a superhero movie and wondering why your sandwich cannot also fly. Real recovery starts with something almost embarrassingly simple: cooking just for yourself again. No client, no camera, no pressure, just butter, garlic, and zero judges watching. Chefs who recover often say the same thing. They started cooking one meal a week with no purpose except taste. It sounds lazy, but it is actually brain science. Your dopamine loves novelty more than routine. History backs this up too. Even royal chefs centuries ago took days completely off from formal kitchens. Turns out exhaustion is not a modern invention, it is just louder now because of phones buzzing non-stop. Community matters more than people expect. Talking to other private chefs and caterers about burnout is like finally admitting the emperor has no clothes. Everyone secretly feels the same thing. There is also a mechanical fix hiding in plain sight: systems. Meal prepping your own life the way you prep a catering event removes tiny decisions that quietly drain your energy all day. Doubt shows up here a lot. Chefs wonder if slowing down means losing their edge. It actually works the opposite way. Rest sharpens creativity like a knife sharpens on a stone, not on a rock. Optimism is not naive here either. Thousands of chefs have walked through burnout and come out loving food even more. Joy in cooking rarely dies. It just needs someone to stop ignoring it for 5 minutes. So if you are a private chef or caterer running on fumes and stale coffee, know this: recovery is not quitting the kitchen. It is remembering why you walked into it. The kitchen is not the villain here. Silence and rest are the plot twist nobody expected. If any of this hit close to home, you are definitely not alone in this wild ride of pots, pressure, and passion. Want to learn more about how we help people in this exact spot? Check out our links in the description.